Whoa! Look at that! A big mountain! A very big mountain! Cat! Wake up! Wake up!
Huh? What? What is it?
What is it? Look! Look at that!
A cat! Look! It is so beautiful, so big.
I am tired. I want to sleep.
It is just a mountain. Please, cat! Please! Let's go!
Fine. Okay, let's go.
Yes! Thank you! Come on! Thank you! It will be so fun! We go up to the top!
I am coming. I am slowly.
Faster, cat! Faster!
No.
Wow! It is so big! Look, cat! Look at the top!
It is very, very big.
Let's
Come
go
on,
up!
Cat! Jump! Like this! Jump!
I walk carefully.
But it is faster to jump.
I do not jump up mountains.
Cat! Tired.
I am so tired!
The beginning. Yes,
Cat,
yes,
listen to me.
let's go.
You can do it. I am not strong. I am a cat. But look, you are here. You came this far.
I did come this
Wow! Look! Look down, cat! Look how high we are. Can you see our home? Down there?
far. It is small. Everything is small.
Whoa! Hold on, cat! Hold on! My scarf is flying! Grab the rock! Grab it! I got it! I got my scarf! Ah! Help! Rabbit, help me! Cat, I am coming! Hold on! I am falling!
Hold on!
I almost... But you did not fall. You are here. You are safe.
Thank you, Rabbit.
Cat, look! Look at this.
It is beautiful.
Let's rest here for a little.
Yes, let's
This
rest
water
here.
is cold. Cat, you got water on me.
The water is very cold and very good.
Cat, look up. Look at the top. It is close now.
Yes.
We can do it. I know we can. Okay.
Okay. I am ready.
You are ready.
Let's go to the top.
Together. This rock, it is good. Hold it. Good. Now, yup, we are almost there, Cat. Look!
I can see it. I can see the top.
I am sorry.
Cat, the top, it is right there.
I know it is right there.
Then we rest together, and then we go together.
You know what? You are the bravest cat I know. I am not brave. I was scared. I am tired. I almost fell. Yes, and you kept going. That is brave.
Okay,
I
Rabbit.
know.
Let's go. Let's go.
Together. Cat, I can see it. The top. I can see sunlight.
Where? I cannot see anything. Give me your paw. Give me your paw right now. I have
Almost
it. I have
there.
it.
One more step. One more.
I am coming.
I am coming.
Hold my paw. Don't let go. I will not let go.
We are here. We did it. We are at the top.
Cat, give me your paw. You are almost here.
Wow. Yeah.
It is beautiful. Look, Cat. Do you see our valley down there? It is so small. We came
Rabbit.
from there.
Thank you for not giving up on me.
You never gave up on you. That was all you.
Next time, I will complain less.
Maybe a little less.
Rabbit. Let's come here again. Someday, yes. Next time, faster? Maybe a little faster.